Today, with this hyper-paced and volatile, very sensitive, complex lifestyle, we are least bothered about this very important sector, that is the logistics, which plays a very, very important role in our lifestyle.
For latest updates, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
Hi, logistics and professional logistics. From the morning we wake up till the time we doze, we are surrounded with n number of products and services with various routine and non-routine utility. We use the values of various products and services, like from the morning, newspaper, milk, sugar, vegetables, different commodities, consumer durables, which are made available to us at the arm's length, that is to various distribution centers. Today, with this hyper-paced and volatile, very sensitive, complex lifestyle, we are least bothered about this very important sector, that is the logistics, which plays a very, very important role in our lifestyle. In 2021, this sector was growing at the rate of 10 to 12% at 280 billion US dollars, and with a projection to grow to 380 billion US dollars by 2025. When we look into this evolving macro and micro challenges in this entropic business landscape, and in order to reach to the desired summit, it is very important to have the right mix of skilled, semi-skilled and unskilled labor who are supposed to be there in various domains of logistics, which are inbound, outbound and reverse logistics. Capable and competent resource persons are very important to create a learning culture and raise the bar of the enterprise. This is a performance-driven, very, very robust sector where competency and skills. This is a performance-driven and very robust sector where competency and skills are very, very important in order to shoulder the OKRs and KRAs of the supply chain. With changing times, we need to change our guards too, and thereby we need to source professional logistics skills. A proverb goes like this, that knowledge is just like a garden, and if it is not cultivated, it cannot be harvested. So we need to have a thorough knowledge of the overall value chain, right from procurement, and as it is passing through various critical institutions, and then finally to the last mile delivery, and thereby create a customer experience. So what we need to understand, we need to have the knowledge of various SOPs, adherence to the quality dimensions, various compliances in all the critical areas of logistics, inbound, outbound and reverse. Understanding the important stakeholders like government, like suppliers, different partners, drivers and employees. Knowledge of the various technicalities, types of the products and aligning them with the various important areas of logistics like warehousing, customer services, transportation and so on. When I see a situation like a consignment is moving from city A to city B, and that too in a certain condition of temperature to be maintained between 1 to 2 degrees centigrade. In that case, I need to have the people, they have the knowledge of all the technical areas, so that the moment the products reaches to the customers, they are at the best condition and thereby create a customer experience in this experience economy. Also, suppose a rake movement from a city C to city D, right from the manufacturing yard, we need to load it maybe in a truck. From there it reaches to the rail sidings. Loading takes place, lashing, cushioning, cleaning. Then the whole rake reaches to the destination D, and there also some of the processes which are to be repeated. Thereby it reaches to the distribution centers, and from there it reaches to various retail where the customers grab the products. So our objective is how to make the process much more lean and agile system, taking into consideration overall cost, motivation of my employees. Communication, again, a very critical aspect that we look into the candidature. Communication with various stakeholders, with the nature of communication, interpersonal, intrapersonal, upward communication, downward communication. And at the same time, we are very keen to understand the emotional quotient of the candidature. And the candidature need to be a good listener. Earlier it was more bothered towards operations at marketplace. Now, after the corona period, precisely, we see there is a shift into this virtual space. So, the digital quotient within the candidature is of prime importance, and that adds strength to the candidature. A better relationship management skill would enable the candidature's front, at the same time organization's front, to achieve the service and sustainability goals. A sector which is always so dynamic, so need to take decision at different levels. Also, the person need to be much more hands-on and understand the pulse of the market. Business cannot run in silos. We have to integrate, we have to collaborate, we have to consistently take our interest to different stakeholders at a different level and raise the bar of the performance. And very important, lastly, a good negotiator is a demanding candidature for this important sector.
For detailed learning of all logistics subjects, visit www.logiveda.com.